Hello everyone, I'm Jieun. I'm from Korea and I'm 28 years old. I'm a musician in Korea. I can compose some song and I can sing well. And a few years ago, I have been to Uganda, and then at that time I recognized the importance of music. So that time I decided I wanted to go some Africa country, and I can go here. Well, I can visit here. Yeah. I got to Rwanda last year on December, and I had Christmas in here. And the time I had very heavy storm and rainy. And I stayed in Rwandan people house, and I went to Huye and Nyanja, and I drove Imigongo, and I saw the Rwanda traditional dancing like this. I have many things in Rwanda. Yeah. I want to recommend it to anyone who visit Rwandan people, Rwanda. I recommend the Sakae and 목마르체 and 또 뭐 있지? 대장금, because I'm Korean and I recommend it to you Korean food. And I wanted to recommend it for you the Kichukiro, because there is my house. Yes, even there are no statue in Kichukiro like this. And I want to recommend some Rwanda cultures like Imigongo. You can enjoy Imigongo at the Ajiji. You can drawing by house puku, and you can coloring do you know amagi agagi, like it's just gorilla. Yes.
Ingagi.
Ingagi. Ingagi is gorilla. I draw a picture. I draw the gorilla and coloring. Yeah. I tried some Rwanda food and drink. Do you know ugali? Ugali is like rice cake. Do you know tteokbokki? In Korea, tteokbokki is very famous food, and actually I miss tteokbokki very much. So I will make tteokbokki by ugali. Cut the ugali cutting and with spicy sauce and some vegetable together boiled. Then it's tteokbokki. Yes, and I like beer channe, so with beer is so nice. It's fantastic. And especially Skol, Muchik, and Primus is very 고소한 beer. Yes, that's beer. I know some Kinyarwanda languages, so I talk for you. 안녕하세요. Hello. 마라무체 무라호. And 니트과 이리바기자. 제 이름은 이리바기자입니다. My name is Iribagiza, and I'm 28 years old. 음피테 안가에 마쿰야비리 나 우무나니. 저는 28살입니다. 응기 우무냐 코레라 부샤케 와 코이카. I'm 코이카 volunteer. 저는 코이카 봉사자입니다. and 응자바 우마리무 와 무지카. I will be a teacher for music. 저는 음악 선생님입니다. 무라베오. Goodbye. 안녕히 계세요.